welcome back to my channel. Those of you that are new here, I am Kayla. I go by Vacay, which is my Instagram name, VAYKAYY. I go by Knotless K2 because if y'all know, and if y'all don't, I used to braid hair before I became a business owner, okay? So it's literally like 26,000 people here, y'all, and I started the beginning of last year with 126 subscribers. So shout out to me, okay? And shout out to y'all for watching me and rocking with my hair content. I know that I've been switching it up, but it's okay, y'all. I'm just trying to find my lane. I'm trying to be a little bit more organic. And yeah, so today's video, this is going to be telling y'all a little bit about me as I do some of my orders for my business. I run an e-commerce brand called Knotless K, and we sell hair accessories and soon hair products. So I started my business in 2020. Since then, it is now 2024, and I have generated over $1 million in sales. And today I'm just going to be doing some orders for that. With that $1 million in sales, I was running ads on Facebook that helped me generate that amount of money. I currently don't run ads. If y'all seen my last videos, some of my longer videos, y'all already know my son's father is crazy and stole my business and messed it up, ran my credit up, all that stuff. So I'm really fixing all that. I'm in the growing process and fixing all of the mess ups he did or even I did in my own business. And then I'm going to be growing and scaling. So I'm in the middle of learning a lot, y'all, and I want to teach y'all. Like, I want everybody to know this stuff because, y'all, I'm a single mom. My son is 2, and I work at home. Like, every day is not hard work, but like, I work every day and I get blessed in ways that it's just crazy because right now my store haven't even really been doing well. Like, yesterday I made, how much money I made? I made probably like $100. Like $100 I made yesterday from my store. But that doesn't stop. Like, I still post every day and I still like send emails out. I haven't actually sent emails out recently either. But yeah, I'm in the growing stages of everything. So I'm actually gonna start making like 5 to 10 minute videos showing you different steps on how to create your e-commerce store, how to build a brand, how to become trustworthy in like a customer's eyes, like just everything, y'all. But I am not like a good teacher. I mean, you have to listen to my words because I'm not always organized or like structured, but that's what I'm learning right now. So we can learn together because I'm not structured. Like, let me say that just not right now. Like, I made that money and I didn't have an accountant. I didn't have anything, but like, I'm from the east side of Detroit, y'all, like 48205 area code. Like, if y'all know, if you know, you know, okay? So I got it off the mud. I got a son too. Whew. We could talk about that too. Like, y'all want to know what y'all want to know because it's been crazy. Life has been crazy. But all in all, I'm still smiling. I'm still here. Right now, I'm actually at my grandmother's old house. I have a room up here is where I run Knotless K. And I will show you guys. So, and y'all, we're gonna do a video on me organizing and cleaning it up because it's not looking the best. So judge y'all mama like we in the beginning stages, okay? So y'all just gonna see how I be rocking and rolling. So right over here, this is my little desk. I have my computer that I bring back and forth. I have my printer. I got this off of Amazon. It's what printer is this? The Nailco printer, and I don't really like it. I shouldn't even be shouting out. Like, I just like, this is kind of a review on that too because it's not a great printer at all. It took me forever to figure out how it works. Sometimes it wants to work, sometimes it doesn't want to work. Like, but whatever, it's been working, and as long as I keep it here, don't unplug it or don't do too much, like, it will be okay. I also ordered these from Amazon. These are like my shipping labels that I go through. I was making oils. My hair had came out and fell out when I had a baby postpartum. So when that happened, nothing was working. So I made my own hair oil, and this is like what you put the hair oils in at the top to dispense oils out and put it in bottles, which I'm going to be starting soon. I just been having to get a lot of things together, y'all. So I got boxes under the table. I have like a rack here with all like my bonnets and pillowcases. I sell hair brushes. Someone sent this for me from TikTok shop. But I have like a whole lot of product. Car headrest seat covers. I sell those. Those are in a box. Yeah, pretty much rack of oils. This is usually where I do my orders. Here on this table, some boxes. Y'all, it's not organized. Here's my combs that I sell, brushes, and some more bonnets. So you guys, like, oh, here's the printer. If you see this, don't get this printer. It sucks. This was the best printer. Well, this was the wrong printer. I don't even know what this is. Y'all, listen. I've been a business owner since 2020. I made a lot of mistakes. Okay. A lot of mistakes. So y'all can learn from me. And I'm going to teach y'all and tell y'all the right way to do things, because it'd definitely be so much easier. And yeah, so right now today I'm on my Shopify store. I have these 3 orders that I need to pack. Just gonna click that, hit review labels. It costs $12 to ship, $12.47 to ship 3 packages. Y'all, even running a business, like, it's crazy. But so I've been doing a hair business, and actually let me show you my bonnet, because I don't even think I have different colors, and I'm just gonna grab one color. I'm gonna grab purple because I love purple, and we're gonna put it on so y'all can see like the necessity for it, like why it's so big, why people really love it. And once I scale my ads and run it again, I'm sure y'all probably saw them and y'all gonna see them. Hold on. And so this is the first product that I actually created when I started my business, and this is the product that actually generated me most of all my sales that I've made on my Shopify store. So this is the Knotless K bonnet. It's an extra long bonnet. It has a snap at the top. So when you have extra long braids, knotless braids, you can snap them up and they won't get wet, or they won't be on your neck heavy and hot. Like one day, y'all, this is how I literally created Knotless K. I was in the bed and I had knotless braids. They was long as hell. And when I slept, they was just all in the way, wrapped around my neck, y'all. I was sleeping. And then my client, she sent me a video of her, and I'm probably put it right here. She sent me a video of her getting out the shower. I had did her braids, y'all. She had a shoestring, a plastic bag, all kind of craziness on her head. I said, Okay, so this is the Knotless K bonnet. Extra long, has a snap feature at the bottom, the top as well. So when you put it on your head and you have braids, pull your hair in, and then you can snap this at the top of your head. Voila, magic. Okay, and the girls went crazy about this. Don't worry about that. That's my little bow, but that can go into, like, there's enough room from everything. And then from there, I did the shower cap. And the girls went crazy, okay? So I was never even advertising the shower cap, just the bonnet. And this one got most of the sales, and this was second. Since then, I have extended the product line. So I'll put my link in the description below so you guys can check out some of the products that I sell. And with that, yeah, it's been a fun ride, y'all. So I'm about to do these orders. In my next video, I need to organize this room, and I'm gonna get to it. I think I'm gonna talk to y'all about how to find a product. Like, that could be a video, how I initially found my product and how to find your niche. Although I'm trying to get outside of my niche, I'm trying to give y'all more of my personality and more of me on videos. It's more still my niche. Like, I was always doing hair. I was a hairstylist for over 15 years, but not really, like, on the side. When I started my business, I was an operations manager for Peloton, which honestly, I think everything in your life is positioning. It helps you get to the next step. So when you look at it like that, like, we live backwards, but if you look at it like that, like, all the things that I did before prepared me for my future. So I was an operations manager for Peloton, and now I'm running my own operation. And it was COVID. I left there, got a leave of absence because they was trying to fire me anyway, because they was trying to whitewash the place. Then I was learning already through e-commerce and everything, and the same stuff I'm gonna tell y'all is what they be saying in these courses. So y'all gonna learn for free, okay? I'm not gonna sell no courses. I'm not gonna give it to you no crazy way. I'm just gonna give it to you straight, and what I did and things that I had to learn the hard way, you don't have to go through, okay? So watch me take these few orders and get on my day. Hopefully I can get this video up today. Take this bonnet off my head, my little hair bow. Yeah, rock with me, y'all. Y'all gonna see, because I'm starting another brand. Y'all know my name on here is Vacay. I used to travel all the time until I had a baby. But I still travel with him, but not as much as I would love to. So I'm about to get back to traveling. I'm gonna do some vlogs. And I'm gonna show y'all how I like got into even content and how I even got on YouTube. Like Knotless K is what brought me to YouTube. And then the TikTok. Cause I didn't even had no TikTok or YouTube in 2022. No, I had a YouTube. I started my YouTube in 2020, but I was not posting on here. I posted like one Knotless K video that went viral. And I ran some ads on YouTube, I believe. But then I ran a lot of ads on Facebook. But now I'm starting a vacay brand. It's clothes, y'all, for the vacations. It's gonna be lit, so stay with me and just watch me back there.
I've been to the mountains, babe, way up high.
Okay, y'all, I'm on my last order. Luckily, because I was on my last bag. And y'all, I'm not as organized like I keep telling y'all. You just gotta do it, okay? One day we're gonna be that millionaire, that billionaire, that warehouse somewhere, okay? But until then, you gotta get how you live. You gotta be in your grandma's old house that your mama is renovating, and you know, you make it work. So hope y'all like this little video, a little introduction of me. I'm a single mom, you know, and I'm just trying to create the lifestyle of my dreams, so, and help y'all create the lifestyle of y'all dreams. So follow me, subscribe, and we gonna get this money. Let me know what y'all want the next video to be. I'm thinking a product research video, but I'm not too computer savvy, so I gotta figure out, I guess I can probably use Zoom to like screen record my screen and just like voice over and talk and teach y'all how to like research products, like depending on what like niche you in, like how I would go about it and what I would do, and then even building a Shopify store from scratch and linking like products in so you can drop ship, or you know, until you're able to buy the product in bulk. Because I didn't just buy this, didn't happen overnight. I used to drop ship and get a few products at a time until it started being too big, and that's when you have the money already and you're able to take that money and buy all the product. But yeah, so subscribe, y'all. Till next time.